Hi everyone, so I'm back with a little craft with me. I am pulled out some scrappy pieces, then I had these 3 tags left over from a previous project, so kind of scraps but not scraps. So here you'll see me make 3 Christmas tags. The tags, the background tags are from ARTYmaze. The little black oval tiles are from Tsunami Rose. The little rectangle like where it says special delivery postcard, etc., that is from ARTYmaze as well. The images that I'm using and some of the little cut-offs, the scrappy pieces, are from ARTYmaze too. So I'm just going to play some music and you can watch the process. This is just a quick video, and again, this is me just using pieces from my big envelope full of Christmas scrap pieces. So it would be great if you gave me a thumbs up. It will help with the algorithm, help my videos get seen. And if you want to leave a comment or if you have any questions, then do so in the comments section below and I will get back to you. So yeah, just watch the process.